video, I'm going to show you how to take this template that I've designed for Thrive Content Builder. It's ideal for a lesson page if you're building a membership site. And I'm going to show you how to take this. I'm going to give you the code for it and move it over to your site. So as you can see, there's a navigation here, a navigation system just for these membership pages. This is a new element. You can easily change the video, and there's lots of other things. Now there's a few steps involved. That's why I thought it best to show you how to do it via a video. So here I have the page pulled up with the Thrive Content Builder. Now, there isn't a real easy, seamless, quick way to move this. However, it's not like it's going to take a big effort on your part to get it on your site. It's just going to be a few things are not going to carry over. So what I want you to do is first go on your website and create a new page. And name the page whatever you want. So I just named it Membership Lesson. I'm going to click on Publish, and then I'm going to open or click right here where it says Edit with Thrive Content Builder. So now I'm on the site that I want to carry the template over to. Now the first step is to click right here where it says Thrive Landing Pages, and then click on Choose Landing Page. It's going to pull these different landing pages open, and what I want you to do is select the one right here, this one right here, Serene Download Page. Click on that, you'll see a checkbox, and then click on Load Landing Page. Now all you need to do is click this box right here that says HTML, and it's going to pull this up. Then what I need you to do is take the code in the text file that you can download on this page. I want you to open that text document up, copy and paste the HTML contents from that text document right here, and you're going to overwrite this. So what I'm going to do is go right here to the original page I created, click on the code, click in here, select everything. Then I'm going to put it into my clipboard. And then I'll come over here. This is the new site that I'm moving it over. I highlight everything, and then I paste the contents of the clipboard, and then click on Save. And so you can see most of the work and customization has already come across. However, there's these colors here that didn't quite come across. So what's missing was this. I had a lighter greenish color, and this I didn't have transparent. I had it white, the background here, and the same goes for here. I had this white, and I actually had this white as well, and the same for this section here, and this section here was white. So that's all that didn't carry over, which is pretty minor. So the way we go about making the colors match is we would just click on the element here, and then we would want to start modifying the colors. So for the header background, you can click here and choose the color that you want. I think I had something bright like that. And then for the border, I don't think I had a border. So for this, you would slide the slider all the way down, and that takes the border and gets rid of it entirely. Now internally, that's the background here. Now I had this as white, and there it is. So now let me click X. So you see how it's back to the what you were expecting. And I think I might have had this a little larger. I had that white and then the lettering white. So let's go back there. I can click on this, and it's the same thing. The color of it is going to be white. There it is. And we can even make it a little bit larger, or whatever size you want. It doesn't matter. It's whatever your preference is. Okay, so this is kind of all set. One of the things, unfortunately, that's not an element in Thrive Content Builder is that progress bar. That was actually a function of the theme I was using. Now, a lot of themes have a progress bar option. However, the theme that I'm installing this on right now does not. So unfortunately, you are gonna not be able to use this element unless your theme has that as a feature. So this was just a WordPress content element from right here. So let's just get rid of that. And of course, for next lesson, you can just click on that and change the link settings to whatever you want for the next lesson. And we're going to do the same thing here as well. This one, everything was white. So we'll drag this up here and make that white. You can actually just copy the color code right there, and it'll save us a little time. So the header background, highlight, paste, and so that's all white now. And let's see, let's get rid of the border. All right, and that's been modified. And then lastly is this right here. So we'll get rid of that background. And then we'll get rid of the border. And then the background area right here, we will make it white. There it is. So I think that pretty much covers that area. And then there's this big area right here. And it's the background, and that was white as well. So we'll paste that code in. And that's pretty much it. And you have that same page. There might be some minor little differences. Nope, it all pretty much looks the same. Let's see here. Yep, it's good. So you can modify this background if you want. I have it this kind of a pattern here. To put navigation, here you would scroll down. There's an element down here. Oops. Let's see. It's this element here, widgets, and then it says custom menu. And so we can just drag and drop that there, and then choose a menu. You can choose the menu that you want. So I created a special membership menu. I prefer it to be right aligned, and then maybe a little larger, like 20 pixels. Just made it a little larger. And of course, if you want to play around with custom fonts, you could do that there. Let me X out of that. And then here you have your custom lesson page. So let me save the changes and then click on preview. It's going to open a new tab, and we'll see how it looks. Oops, I need to get rid of this right here. And other than that, everything came across just fine. So let's do, actually I don't understand it. I don't see this text here. Sometimes I've noticed that when you're carrying something over, you might have some artifact like that. So what I'm actually going to do is a refresh on here. There it is. What you're going to want to do is not delete or remove this box. You're going to want to remove its parents box like that. Then do a save, and then click on the preview button, and that element's gone. You might want to play around with the positioning of this. You might want to put a little bit of a negative padding in there to raise it up. So if you click on it and go to margins and paddings, maybe like a minus 20 on the top. Let's see how that looks. Okay, do a save, and then let's do a refresh here. Actually, that moved it up. Probably just a 0 is going to be just fine. So let's see. Okay, there we go. So that might align better in the middle. Let's do a refresh. There we go. That actually lines up just perfectly. Anyways, those are the few steps that you follow. Sorry that this video ended up being so long. However, everything else, it's super easy to edit and modify, and I hope you enjoy this template that I created for you. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Please click the thumbs up button, leave a comment, even if it's just to say thank you. It really keeps me motivated. And also, if you could share this video on your social profiles. I really appreciate you supporting me in this, and I look forward to making another video for you.